Hello guys, if you take a look at what I'm having here, this is typically a relay module. If you look very closely, you'll find out that this is 5 volts relay module. If you take a look at this one, this is the one made by myself, which you can also make. And I just discovered that it is cheaper to make this thing instead of buying it from market. If it is so, then it is better that you make it instead of buying it. And I believe that if I can make it, you too can make it with right information. So what I'm about to explain today is how to make your own relay module, and it is 12 volts relay module that we'll be talking about today. Of course, at the end of today, you can also use the information to build any kind of relay module, be it 5 volts, be it 12 volts. The principle is the same. The only difference is the switching voltage of the relay. If it is 5 volts, it then means that the switching voltage will be 5 volts. If it is 12 volts, it will be 12 volts in that order. So to make this relay module, the first thing we'll have to consider is a relay driver. And that relay driver will be built around the NPN transistor. Of course, if this is NPN transistor, this place is the emitter, this is the collector, and this is the base. This collector will be connected to one of the terminals of relay coil. Okay. Now, if this is the relay coil, we'll have the switching terminals of relay. So here, this is common. This is normally closed, and this is normally open. This relay terminal will be projected so that we'll be able to connect our connectors there. This way, 3-way connector. So this way. So the switching terminals of the relay will maintain their properties. This place will be normally open, this place will be common, and then this place will be normally closed. Now, the emitter of this particular transistor will be grounded. This particular ground will be power supply ground. In this case, the power supply is 12 volts because the relay itself is a 12 volts relay. Okay. Now there will be freewheeling diode connected across relay coil this way. Now the base of the transistor will be tied to biasing resistor. In this case, 10K can do the work comfortably. And then the resistor will be connected to GIOP pin from microcontroller. So this place is can be regarded as S, that is signal, and this particular signal will come from GIO pin That is a general input and output pin from microcontroller. This microcontroller can be Arduino Uno. It can be Nano. It can be any microcontroller. Now this particular pin here will be the VCC pin. This VCC pin will be the power supply from the 12 volts power supply. Okay, and then this place will be the microcontroller ground. That is GND microcontroller. I'll just say GND mic. That is ground from microcontroller. And this GND from microcontroller will be tied to the power supply ground this way. Otherwise, it will not work. So if you want to visualize when the relay has latched, you want to visualize what is happening, all you need to do is to connect LED with each anode connected to the collector of the transistor, and then each cathode will be connected to a current limiting resistor. 1K is okay, and then connected to the VCC, in this case 12 volts. So that is all. Now here, the transistor here can be any NPN transistor. Let us say BC547 can do the job. You can also use BC337. This is the complete circuit diagram for 12 volts relay module. The idea here can also be used to make 5 volts relay module. Other relay modules also exist. Like there is one involving octocoupler. Maybe in the nearest future we'll also take a look at that one. But any microcontroller will work with this one. I have tested it and it works seamlessly. Thank you so much. Remember, this is Quantize Tech. You can do well to share, like, share our post. You can also give good comments. Thank you so much.